This is CNBC's live blog covering Asia-Pacific markets. Japan stocks bounced Friday, while most markets in the Asia-Pacific region stay shut for a public holiday. Japan's Nikkei 225 index gained 0.53%, after falling about 1.5% in the previous session. The broader Topix rose 0.67% following declines of 1.7%. The Japanese yen will be closely watched during the session amid speculation of a possible intervention after the currency recently hit 34-year lows against the US dollar at 151.97. It last traded at 151.45 against the greenback. South Korea's Kospi fell 0.2% moments after opening for trade, while the smaller cap Kosdaq shed 0.45%. Markets mainland China will be open for trading. Hong Kong, Singapore, India, Australia and New Zealand were among the major Asia-Pacific markets shut for the Good Friday holiday. On Wall Street, the benchmark S&P 500 index clocked its best first-quarter performance in 5 years. The index ended Thursday 0.11% higher, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.12%. Both indexes closed at record highs. The Nasdaq Composite slipped 0.12%. CNBC's Lisa Kailai-Han and Pia Singh contributed to this report. The S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average closed at a fresh record on Thursday. The broader market index rose 0.11% to settle at 5,254.35, cinching its best first quarter since 2019. The 30-stock Dow rose 47.29 points, or 0.12%, and settled at 39,807.37, bringing it a hair's breadth away from the 40,000 level. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite, on the other hand, slipped 0.12% to finish at 16,379.46. Oil prices rose more than $1 on Thursday and are on track for a third monthly gain. The West Texas Intermediate contract for May gained $1.82, or 2.24%, to settle at $83.17 a barrel. The Brent contract for May, which expired Thursday, added $1.39, or 1.61%, to settle at $87.48 a barrel. U.S. crude has risen 6.27% for the month, while the global benchmark is up 4.62%. Prices are rising on strong demand and lower supply. Morgan Stanley forecast a 400,000 barrels per day deficit in the second quarter and an 800,000 barrels per day deficit in the third quarter. Retail investors piled into stocks as the end of the first quarter neared, snapping up $3.5 billion in equities this past week, according to J.P. Morgan. At the single stock level, retail traders showed the strongest buying impulse in over a year. Peng Cheng, the firm's head of big data and artificial intelligence strategies, wrote in a note Wednesday. They reversed their previous bearish stance and bought NVDA aggressively. Plus $1.2 billion, he added. Nvidia, Tesla and Advanced Micro Devices received the largest retail inflows. All sectors in the S&P 500 are set to end March in positive territory. Energy stocks were the clear outperformer this month for the S&P 500. The sector, up nearly 10% this month, was next followed by the materials and utilities sectors, having respectively gained 6% and 5.9%.